2023 days from Saturday 19th September till Tuesday 10th November. I will calculate how many days you will get. 53 days. I will 2023 days in T20 format. I will 2020 format, doubles, round robin and knockout. Thank you.